Everything I bought in Osaka, Japan, Part 2. I've always wanted an everyday, easy-to-wear foundation, so I thought a BB cream would make the cut. It turns out that the consistency of this BB cream is too thick and is hard to blend. I also noticed having a few bumps on my face after using it. Sika No Sebum Moisture Powder is available in different colors, but of course I chose the purple one because it screams Glow Keeper. It claims to be a cooling powder with Sika. I tried using it once, but the powder is actually clumping on my face, so I don't like it as much. The Innisfree loose powder is still the best one for me. Next, we have this brush, Tangle Teaser in color purple. I've tried using it once and I did notice that brushing my hair after shower is easier. These masks are super comfortable and soft, feels like not wearing anything at all. This one's a powered toothbrush by Philips called Sonicare. I read that electric toothbrushes are more effective in removing plaque and decreasing gingivitis than manual toothbrushes, so I went ahead and put it in the bag. Of course, toothbrushes need to come with toothpaste, so there you go. These one's a mascara, but I can't use it now because I just had my lashes done. Moving on, this is a lens filter for my mirrorless camera. Also bought some batteries for my mouse and keyboard. These are wet wipes with cooling effect on the skin. Perfect to use in hot summer days. Thanks to Josh for recommending. Shampoo and conditioner for people with sensitive scalp like mine. Perfect for traveling. Lastly, this is a portable stapler that I can bring with me anywhere. Stay tuned for part 3.